In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change username in OpenSea. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make your new username show up across your profile. First, open your browser and head to the OpenSea website. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side of the screen for the main navigation. Find and select Settings. If you're on a smaller screen and don't immediately see it, you may need to expand the menu. OpenSea may prompt you to confirm your identity before you can make changes. If that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions so you can proceed. Inside Settings, choose Profile. This is where your public-facing details live. You'll see fields for things like your bio and links, but we're focusing on the username field. Your username is the handle people will use to find your profile and collections, so pick something that's clear, on-brand, and easy to remember. Avoid including private or sensitive information, and stick to a name that you're comfortable using publicly. Click into the username field and type the name you want. Keep in mind, usernames on platforms like OpenSea generally need to be unique. So if your first choice is taken, try slight variations that still feel consistent with your brand. Shorter names are usually easier to share and remember, and using a consistent handle across your other social profiles can make your presence more recognizable. If you see an availability warning or formatting note, adjust your entry until it's accepted. When you're happy with the username, scroll to the bottom and select Save. OpenSea may ask you to confirm the change. In many cases, this is a simple confirmation and does not require a blockchain transaction. Give it a moment to process, and then you should see a success message or visual confirmation that your profile has been updated. After saving, your new username should appear on your profile page. If it doesn't show immediately, refresh the page or revisit your profile link. It can take a short time for changes to propagate throughout the site and in search. If you share links to your profile elsewhere, remember that your profile URL may update to reflect the new username, so consider updating any bookmarks or social bios to match. That's it. You've navigated to OpenSea, opened settings, selected profile, entered your new username, and saved the change. Take a minute to double check how it looks on your profile, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and enjoy your updated OpenSea presence.